today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in a table in Notion. If you want to make your Notion database more visual and easier to organize, adding images directly into a table is a great option. This is especially useful for things like content planning, product tracking, mood boards, or any project where a visual reference helps. The good news is that Notion makes this process very simple once you know where to click. To get started, open Notion and either go to an existing database table or create a brand new one. If you are working with a table you already have, look toward the top right area of the table and click the plus button to add a new column. If you are starting from scratch instead, type /table and choose Table View from the menu. That will create a new database table where you can begin adding your content. Once your table is ready, the next step is to set up the correct property type for the column that will hold your images. Click the header of the new column you just added. A menu will open, and from there, find the property type dropdown. Change it to Files and Media. This tells Notion that the column is meant for image files and other media instead of plain text, numbers, or tags. You can also give the column a clear name like image or photo, so it's easy to recognize later. Now you are ready to insert the image. Click into any empty cell under that Files and Media column. Notion will prompt you with a few ways to add your image. You can upload a file directly from your computer, which is a good choice if the image is saved locally. You can also drag and drop an image straight into the cell, which is often the fastest method. Another option is to paste an image link if the image is already hosted online. Choose the method that fits your workflow best. After the image is added, you'll see a thumbnail appear inside the table cell. This gives you a quick visual preview without taking up too much space in your database. If you want to see the image more clearly, just click the thumbnail. Notion will open a larger view, and from there you can zoom in, zoom out, or download the image if needed. That makes it easy to manage your visuals without leaving the table, and that's all it takes to insert images in a table in Notion. Thanks for watching.